La Bandera Lin MURAT is now on the go. Each garment told a story. Let us sample together in the life of Bhella and Ronny's baby girl shower party in Germany. Pink and gold accents adorn every corner, transforming the space into a whimsical wonderland fit for a princess. A large banner hung across the wall in delicate script, while shimmering helium balloons and shades of pink and rose danced gracefully above. On the table, an array of delectable treats awaited guests' indulgence, frosted cupcakes. The air thick with anticipation and joyous cheers. Candies bringing sweetness. Fruits symbolize wealth, fertility, and blessings for the future. All of these added flavor to a baby shower party. As each guest arrives, like Elvira and Amelie, carrying the special baby shower cake. Zardy and Roxany presenting a gift wrapped in ribbon and love, a convey of a heartfelt sentiments and strengthen personal connections between individuals. A message that melt the host emotions and gratitude. Guests cannot stop to mingle and chatted animatedly, their laughter filling the air with joy and excitement. As a mother-to-be rests her hand tenderly on her belly, symbolized the celebration of new life and the anticipation of the arrival of the baby. She was adorned in a flowing pink gown that accentuated her radiant glow, her hands gently cradling her burgeoning belly as she listened to the heartfelt well wishes and words of wisdom from those gathered around her. Baby showers, a rite of passage for so many families, go beyond mere celebration. They knit the spirit of community, fortifying bonds and weaving together the past and future through shared joy and support. Particularly for a baby girl, this event symbolizes not only a beloved new beginning but also reflects a moment of cultural reflection as a Filipino, a world filled with hopes, dreams, and togetherness. Baby girl shower parties, more than just an opportunity to gift essential items for the newborn, a shower of diapers and wipes are the most welcome gifts. Adding more fun to this occasion is a Filipino dessert called halohalo, prepared by Cherry and her improvised flavored ingredients. The celebration wouldn't be complete without games and prizes. Guests pose for group photos, selfies, and candid shots to commemorate the joyous occasion and preserve moments of laughter and love. They represent a moment of indulgence and relaxation, a special dance number to capture day, and wearing a pair of open sandals to celebrate the coming summer of Germany. Baby showers, particularly for girls, are not just parties. They're platforms for expressing societal hopes and values. A small glimpse into the couple, Ronny and Bhella. Beyond the screen, a virtual love story. In the bustling digital realm of social media, where connections are forged with a click, two souls found each other in the vast expanse of the internet. Their love story had begun in the virtual realm. They knew that their journey together was just beginning and that their love would continue to grow and evolve with each passing day. As a parent-to-be, their heart overflowing with gratitude for the love and support surrounding them as they embarked on this magical journey with baby Celestine. Congratulations to both of you. Please do not forget to share this video and subscribe to Lin MURAT Vlog for more Filipino community events in Germany. Thank you so much for watching.